Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. Our Google Ads series is going on. If you want to watch the whole series, you can come to our channel and watch those videos from here. Okay, so in today's lecture, we'll be discussing about shared budget in Google Ads. So without further ado, let's get started. So first of all, let's get to know what is shared budget and how we can be benefited by using shared budget. And in the later part of the video, we'll show you how you can practically apply shared budget in your Google Ads. Okay, so let's go to the official documentation of Google for learning more about shared budget. So you can see over here, we are in the official documentation of Google. So we'll be learning more about shared budget. In Google Ads, a shared budget is a single average daily budget that is shared by multiple campaigns in an account. So if you want to learn how to set up a shared budget, you can click this link. Shared budgets streamline your budget across campaigns by allowing underutilized budget to automatically relocate to budget capped campaigns. This will allow you to decrease campaigns limited by budgets and improve campaign performance. It's best practice to implement shared budget with portfolio bidding. Portfolio bidding allows you to be as efficient as possible with your total budget and with bid strategies on campaigns that share the same goals. So I have a detailed video on portfolio bid strategies. So if you haven't watched the video yet, I would suggest you to watch the video first, okay? Or you can set up portfolio bidding strategy by clicking on this link. So you can see over here, they have given us some benefits of using shared budget. So we have three benefits over here. So first one is increased operational efficiency. Instead of spending time managing and relocating budgets between multiple campaigns, budgets can be shared and automatically allocated across a group of campaigns. Second benefits are improved budget utilization. Instead of setting individual budgets, allow your overall marketing budget to freely distribute between campaigns. So very effective. Last one is maximize performance and ROI. When used with portfolio bid strategies, shared budget can be utilized in the most efficient way across campaigns that have similar goals. This allows you to maximize performance and ROI towards your goals. Okay. So they have given us some related links about manage a shared budget across campaigns, link shared budget to portfolio bid strategies. So I'm going to share this doc file in the video description so that you can learn more about shared budget. So let's see how we can practically apply shared budget in our Google Ads account. Okay. So for going to the shared budget section, I'll click on tools and settings. Then from the shared library section, I have an option called shared budget. So I'm going to click on it. Then I'll click on plus button. Then I'll name the budget as shared budget all campaigns. Okay, perfect. Then I need to select those campaigns. So as I already told you that I'm gonna use the all campaigns. So I'm gonna click on this. So all campaigns has been selected. Okay, then you can see over here total budget 137 shared across 7 campaigns, average per campaign 19.57. So I'm gonna click on save. So it is wanting some confirmation. Okay, so if you allow this confirmation, then your shared budget will be applied to your campaign. Okay, so yeah, so hopefully you have understood how to apply shared budget in our Google Ads. So yeah, that's it for this video. If you like our video, then you can subscribe our channel, follow our page. Okay, you have a good day. Bye bye.